Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. Today is going to be a very short video. We are just going to implement what we couldn't do in the last video, which is when you lose your life, when you lose all three of your lives, then everything resets, the sequence resets back to 3, and so on and so forth. But before I do that, there's something I usually do, which is when we are getting close to ending the series. I do something called a code cleanup. So I can maybe like remove this print statement since I no longer need it. I can rearrange some functions. Maybe some functions will come down here while some will come on top. Yeah, so I think I'll probably do that off screen because I realized that in one of my previous videos I did everything live and it seemed like the reception was not very good. Not many people liked it, so I'll probably try to do this off screen and then I'll come back to it. Okay, so welcome back. So this is what I have for now. I just moved every variable that I had scattered around back to this top place. So we have our variable definition here, and everything that is here is a variable, a list, and also a boolean value. Then we come to our ready function. So our ready function contains everything that we want the game, everything that we want to start with the game. So display next shape, current index, displaying sequence. So you are free to pause it wherever you want, so you can maybe readjust your code, or you can just copy the code from the GitHub repository. So these are the changes that I made, just cleaned up the unnecessary comments and everything, but it's basically the same code separated. So we have our reset, our check player sequence. We just move the function apart so we can tell them apart by creating spaces between them. Move this function down, and also this one. So we have our display next shape. Everything is okay, everything is just the same. I just moved it around. And that's it. Good. Update lives, increase score, everything looks good. And also the indexes are okay. So 0 for triangle, 1 for circle, and all that. Good. So now let's test it and see, and hopefully everything is working correctly. Let's play it. So circle, star, circle, circle, star, circle. Good. Triangle, star, circle, star. Good. Triangles. Oh, I've lost it. Okay, I've missed it, but thankfully everything is working perfectly. So the main reason for today's video, we are going to change it. So instead of just one win, you need to win 3 times before it moves on to the next level. So as you can see right now, we have to win only once before it goes to the next one. So we want to win 3 times, then go to the next one, and then so on and so forth. Good. And thankfully it's a very simple process. So all we have to do is come to our consecutive wins here inside our generate sequence function, and we just divide it by 3 wins, which is what is required to advance to the next level. So instead of adding it by number of wins, it divides it by 3, which is our base number of wins that you need to progress to the next level. So now let's play it and see. So star, circle, box, star, circle, box. That's a win. Circle, star, triangle. So circle, star, triangle, triangle, circle, star, triangle, circle, star. So that's my 3rd win. So the next one now should be 4 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. That's all. That's what I needed to see. Then next now, what I want is when I lose a game, I want to lose the game based on the number of lives that I have. So right now I have 3 lives. If I lose the game 3 times, it resets everything back to 3 sequences. So let me show you what it does right now when I play it. Triangle. Okay, wait, before we can, just so that it will be faster, let's set it back to 1 win, so you see what I'm talking about, and play. So box, circle, box, box, circle, box. That's one win. So now it should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I lose 3 times here, it should go back to only showing 3. So let's lose 1. Let's lose again. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, which is not what's supposed to happen. It's supposed to set back to 3. So in order to fix this, we go to our game over. Yeah. So the main variable that is being used to calculate if we need to increase our sequences by 4 or 5 is our consec wins. So now what we want is that when we get to the game over screen, our consecutive wins should go back to 0, which means our sequence is set back to 3. So all we have to do is just say consec wins equal to 0, and we save it. So now, even if we, let's say box, circle, triangle, box, circle, triangle, that's our one win. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's lose 3 times, and it should go back to 3 sequences. And the last one. Good. So now 1, 2, 3. That's all. And there you have it. So I think that will be all for today's video. I just wanted to say that we are almost done with the series, and we're almost done with the game. I mean, but that was so fast. So right now we'll probably be focusing more on aesthetics, so like designs, logos, colors, backgrounds, and so on and so forth. So we probably have just a little bit more of coding to do. I'm thinking of adding like a time limit, so you don't have like unlimited time to select all the shapes. But let's see, probably in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.